Greetings, brothers and sisters. Sustainability sermon number 2. So what does sustainability mean? Sustainability means it's going to last. Let's use this little scenario as an example. Suppose you inherit $1 million. Well, you promptly go out and you buy a $500,000 house, and you embark on a lifestyle that spends roughly $100,000 a year. Well, your inheritance is going to last you about 5 years. This isn't sustainable. Well, sustainability scenario number 2. You inherit $1 million. You put the $1 million in the bank, and you choose to live on the interest of this $1 million. Well, now your inheritance is going to last for as long as you live, and maybe even as long as your children live if they continue the same program. This is sustainable. Well, the same thing applies to the planet. Let's say you inherited a planet, and you immediately spend half of the resources on creating an infrastructure. And then you launch into a lifestyle that is using a good percentage of the remaining resources every year or every generation. Well, at some point, the resources are going to run out. This is not sustainability. Okay, you inherit a planet, and you start using the resources within the rate of that planet's ability to regenerate them. Now you've got a sustainable lifestyle. Sustainable not only for yourself, but should you teach it to your future generations. This is the situation that Europeans found when they came to North America back in the 1400s and even up into the 1600s. Even though there was 4 million inhabitants here, when the Europeans arrived, they pretty much found it in pristine condition. In fact, they thought it was pristine, and there was hardly a trace that anyone lived here. It was because the people that were living here, all 4 million of them, were living sustainable lifestyles. It is this that we have to get back to. Not only the non-natives, but also the natives themselves. They have lost touch with the sustainable lifestyle to some degree, and even though there is some memory of it, there is going to have to be a serious reawakening of it and a very rapid return to it if we are going to survive into the future. And this is what this project is all about: sustainability.